The airline that I selected is Singapore Airlines. Singapore Airlines is well known for its first-rate service and extensive worldwide network. The airline has a wide route network that spans Asia, Europe, and the Americas, and the Middle East, and it serves a variety of international locations. I will concentrate on the three areas of nations that Singapore Airlines serves: Japan, India, and Australia, in order to examine their custom and consumer expectations. Each of these unique, culturally varied nations has its own set of social norms and expectations, particularly when it comes to air travel. First is Japan, cultural norms and etiquette. Communication style. Japanese people communicate in an indirect, formal manner. In any social contact, politeness and defense to authority are crucial. People may not publicly express disagreement and have a tendency to avoid conflict. Silence is frequently interrupted as an expression of respect and consideration. The main language used is Japanese. Japanese is strongly preferred in official or public context, even though many Japanese individuals can understand English. A typical greeting and a show of respect is a bow, although they can happen in professional settings. Handshakes are usually milder than those in the West. It is usual to wait for the host or eldest person to start before starting to eat. Additionally, since it seems like a funeral rite, it is crucial to refrain from inserting chopstick upright in a bowl of rice. Personal space is highly valued in Japanese culture, and people there typically behave modestly and with respect in public. In terms of Asian rank, there is also a distinct feeling of hierarchy. Airline adaptation. On its flight to Japan, Singapore Airlines is renowned for its meticulous attention to detail and providing a very classy and courteous service, with the flight attendant taught to utilize Japanese phrase like irashameis, it means welcome, and arigato or goizemasu, thank you very much. The airline frequently interrogates Japanese customs and etiquette into its flight service. Additionally, Singapore Airlines caters to local tastes by serving Japanese food on flight to Japan. Japan's careful attention to aesthetics is reflected in the way food is represented, with banquets frequently showcasing in-season delicacy and expert garnishing. Japanese TV shows and films may also be available for in-flight entertainment, with the option to convert to Japanese. The airline makes sure that its flight attendants are aware of local customs, provide courteous and unassuming services, and put the comfort and tranquility of its customers first. Second, India. Indian communication styles can be more direct than in Japan, but they are still highly respectful, especially in formal settings. There is a strong emphasis on politeness, especially when interacting with elders or people in higher position. Titles such as sir and ma'am are commonly used. India has a wide array language Hindi and English are often used in urban areas, while regional language like Tamil, Bengali, and Telugu are presented in various regions. A common greeting is the namaste, where the palms are pressed together with in front of the chest. Shaking hands is also common, especially among men and women. Business context. It is important to be aware of the head wobble gesture, which can indicate acknowledgement, agreement, or understanding. In India, food is often eaten with the right hand, particularly in more traditional settings. Sharing meal is common, and the food is often served in large quantities for communal dining. There is also a strong emphasis on family and community. Elders are highly respected, and it is uncommon for younger people to defer to them. Public displays of affection are generally frowned upon in more conversation and regions. Airline adaptation. Singapore Airlines makes sure that its services are suitable for Indian clients, pays attention to the country's rich cultural variety. Since vegetarian is a popular dietary preference among Indians, the airlines offers a variety of Indian cuisine options in flight by using Indian spices and flavors, and occasionally providing an option between North and South Indian cuisines. The meal is prepared with regional taste in mind. Additionally, the airline customizes its in-flight entertainment to feature regional content in many languages. Bollywood films and Indian music, given the value of hospitality in Indian culture. Singapore Airlines flight attendants frequently say namaste to Indian passengers and provides courteous, respectful service. Indian Airlines has also taught its employees to be culturally sensitive to regional variants and is aware of the strict clothing rules in some part of India, making sure that service meets passenger expectation of formality and modesty. Number 3, Australia. Australians generally value directness and clarity in communication. The tone tends to be informal and humor is often used in conversations. However, Australians also value politeness and respect for others. English is the primary language spoken to Australian. English can include specific slang and colloquial expression that may differ from British or American English. Australians typically use open body language and personal space is respected. Handshakes are common formatting setting. Two, they are generally firm but not for overly forceful. Australians typically eat with a knife and fork, and it's customary to offer a toast during special occasions. Dining is also often casually but punctually is important when invited to someone's home for a meal. Australians value egalitarianism, and the culture tends to be less hierarchical compared to many other countries. This is reflected in a way Australians often address each other by first names even in personal settings. Airline adaptation. Singapore Airlines adjusts by maintaining relaxed yet business-like environment in the cabin of its flight to Australia. The airline provides more casual service and cuisines that feature Australian wines, Australian films, and television series that are frequently shown during in-flight entertainment with a focus on regional interest and cultural. When it comes to interacting with passengers, flight attendants on Australian routes take a more laid-back approach, utilizing humor and a kind manner while still being professionally. Additionally, Singapore Airlines in-flight reading selection includes Australian newspaper in an attempt to better serve Australia's multicultural culture. The airline also provides a variety of food options that fit various dietary requirements such as vegetarian and gluten-free meal, in keeping with diverse dietary needs of the Australian populace. This assignment has helped me better appreciate how important cultural sensitivity is to improving customer service, particularly in a global sector like aviation. Passengers' varied cultural backgrounds are evident, and each has a unique expectation, communication styles, and manners that have direct impact on their trip. An airline like Singapore Airlines can customize its offering to make sure that the travelers feel appreciated, valued, and at ease by taking this cultural variation into consideration. In addition to enhancing the overall travel experience, integrating cultural awareness into airline customer service promotes inclusivity and respect. These small gestures, like providing regional cuisine, speaking the local tongue, or being aware of the society mores, can have a big influence on how travelers view their trip. Changes the experience of traveling.